There are several tabs featured in the Wraptor Control Panel. Here is a breakdown of the contents of each tab and how to use them to navigate and customize your Wraptor. The File tab contains files stored in internal memory of the Wraptor or CF card. The files are listed by name on the left side of the screen. Simply press the file name to select it. Once it's selected, press the Open tab. Now you will be automatically transferred to the Run tab. This will show you what the file looks like. A file can contain one or more labels. You can select the arrow pointing right to view the other labels in the file. To go back to the beginning of the labels, press the double arrow facing to the left. The double right arrow will select the last label in the series. Under Wrap, you can choose Auto or Manual. Count will list how many files have been wrapped. Label Number shows how many labels are in the file. File shows the name of the file. Under the Adjustment tab, or ADJ tab, you will see Print Density, which can increase the darkness of your text on the label. Before altering the print density, however, it is recommended to first select Bold for your text in the Label Mark software. The default for print density is 0. The left margin allows you to alter the justification of your text. If the label text is too far to the right, you'll want to increase the left margin. If it is too far to the left, you'll want to decrease the left margin. Adjusting the top margin will move your text higher up or lower down on the label. The Advanced tab, under your adjustment settings, contains the Feed to Wire function. When your label is not sticking to the wire or cable, first try cleaning the wire by wiping it down with a cloth. The dirt or film could cause the label not to stick. If the label is still not sticking, then you can increase the Feed to Wire function. This causes the label to dispense a little further out. You'll want to increase the feed until the label catches the wire or cable. The Units section is measured in inches. The cycles are how many times the wrapper has wrapped a label. Think of it as mileage on a car. The wrap count is how many times the wrapper will wrap the label before letting go. You'll want to increase the wrap count when you have a long label and a small cable in diameter. The default is set to 4, but you can adjust according to your needs. The Configuration, or Config tab, allows you to select your connection type. You can press the arrow to view your options, such as USB, serial, or TCP. You'll want to select the item that you're going to use. The control mode has 2 options. If you have a Schleniger connected to the Wraptor, then select Schleniger. If not, select Standalone. The file location is where the file was sent to from your Label Mark software, either to a memory card or to the Wraptor's internal memory. Operating mode allows you to select from the Auto or Manual function. Auto function is best when you have multiple labels in a file. After you wrap one label, it will automatically advance to the next label in the file. If you select Manual, you'll have to manually press the right arrow in the Run tab to get to the next label. Auto Open options allow you to further customize your printing process by selecting or deselecting the checkboxes. This IP tab offers a function if you want to network the printer instead of connecting with the USB or serial cable. Select Specify IP address and enter the IP number. Your IT department can provide this number for you. Wraptor saves any changes to your configurations each time you exit a tab, so it'll be ready to go with your custom settings next time you use it.